Hello students, today we are going to start with the concept of triangle and quadrilateral. So in this exercise 4D we will study about triangle. So first we should be clear about the definition of triangle. A triangle is a three-sided polygon. See, it is clear with this. Tri means three. So a triangle is a three-sided polygon. The symbol of triangle is this. Number 3, triangle has 6 parts or elements. Which are the 6 elements? 3 sides and 3 angles. Now see this figure. This A, B, C are the 3 vertices of this triangle. Now interior and exterior of a triangle. What does it mean, interior and exterior? With the word it is clear. Interior means the inside area, exterior means outside area. The part of the plane enclosed by a triangle is called its interior. The part of the plane not enclosed by the triangle is called exterior. The interior of the triangle together with its boundary is called triangular region. Now question 1 of exercise 4D. Read this question with me. Take 3 non-collinear points A, B, C on a page of your notebook. Join AB, BC and CA and find the following. See, they are saying take these 3 points A, B, C. I took these points and then I joined. What figure I obtained? This is triangle ABC. So this triangle is triangle ABC. Before writing the name of triangle, this sign is mandatory of triangle. Now second part is side opposite to angle A. Side opposite to angle A is BC. Angle opposite to side AC. AC opposite to this is angle B. The vertex opposite to side AB. AB is this. Now opposite to this is vertex C. The side opposite to vertex B. Vertex B this is, and opposite to this is AC. And this symbol is mandatory. This is telling us that this is line segment. Now question number 2 in figure. Number of triangles and name them. See, they are asking the how many triangles are there and name them. See first, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is 5. So how many triangles are there? 5. So first is A, B, C. Next is B, P, R, R, Q, C, P, Q, R and this is A, P, Q. So these are 5 triangles in this. Triangle with vertex Q. See, they are asking with vertex Q how many triangles are there. See, this is Q, A, P. This is starting with Q vertex. Now Q, R, C. Next is R, Q, C. In these triangles we are having Q as a vertex. Sides opposite to vertex R. Opposite to vertex R is PQ. This PQ, this PB and QC. This is opposite to this vertex R. So this was about question number 2. Now question number 3. In this figure name the following. All triangles. See how many triangles we are having in this. So first this APD. APD. This is one triangle. APB. APB. This is second triangle. Now BPC. BPC. ABC. ABC. This big one triangle. Then ADB. This one triangle. So we are having 5 triangles in this figure. All angles opposite to AB. See, this is the line segment AB. So how many angles are there opposite to it? I have given them numbers. It will be easy for you to recognize. See, this is angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3. All these 3 angles are opposite to this line segment. So this is angle ADB, ADB, APB and ACB. So these 3 angles are opposite to this line segment. Now all line segments. See, we are having these many line segments AB, BC, AP, AP, CP. This way we are having around 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 line segments we are having this figure. Now triangles with vertex P. See, this is vertex. See, this is not like angle that if I am talking about vertex then it should be in the middle. See, we can name the triangle like APB or BPA. So this way we can change the order of the alphabets in a triangle. So triangle with vertex B is APB, PCB and PAD. We can we can also say PDA. So this way we are writing the names of the triangle. Now exercise 4E. This exercise is about quadrilateral. What does it mean? Quadri means four, lateral means sides. So it means four-sided polygon is called quadrilateral. So square, rectangle are example of this quadrilateral, and it has four vertices A, B, C, D, four sides A, B, B, C, D, C and A, D, four angles, angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. And this BD and AC are two diagonals here. So this was about quadrilateral. Now exercise 4E. First question is fill in the blanks. A quadrilateral is a dash-sided polygon. See, this we just discussed. A quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon because quadri means four. A quadrilateral has dash sides, dash vertices, dash angles and dash diagonals. So it has four sides, four vertices, four angles and two diagonals. A diagonal of a quadrilateral is a line segment that joins two dash vertices. So this we discussed what a quadrilateral is like this. So it joins two opposite vertices of a quadrilateral. Two sides of a quadrilateral which have a common endpoint are called what? Adjacent sides. See, what are adjacent sides? See, they have common vertex, so these sides are adjacent sides. A quadrilateral in which the measure of each angle is less than 180 degree is called a dash quadrilateral. See, there are two types of quadrilateral. One is convex, one is concave. In convex quadrilateral, the measure of each angle is less than 180 degree. The diagonals of a quadrilateral meet in its interior. This we know. See, this is quadrilateral. So here we are making the diagonal. So diagonals are in the interior of a quadrilateral. Now question number 2. Figure 1 shows a quadrilateral ABCD. Name the following. Two pairs of opposite sides. See, these are opposite sides. ABDC, BC and AD. So these are two pairs. Four pairs of adjacent sides. What are adjacent sides? Which are having common vertex. So ADDC, DCCB, CBAB, AB and AD. So these are four pairs of adjacent sides. Now two pairs of opposite angles. See this. This is opposite of this. Angle D is opposite of B. Angle A is opposite of angle C. Now four pairs of adjacent angle. We know the word adjacent. What does it mean? So these are adjacent A and D, D and C, C and B, B and A. So these are adjacent angles. Draw a quadrilateral ABCD. Mark the following points. See, now we are given with some instructions and we will follow these instructions to make this figure. ABCD quadrilateral. This is A, B, C, D quadrilateral. P and Q which are on the quadrilateral on the opposite side. See, these are opposite side. This is P and this is Q. R and S which are in the interior of the quadrilateral, interior, with R nearer to Q, R nearer to Q and S nearer to P, and point S is nearer to P. X and Y which are on the exterior of the quadrilateral. Exterior means outside the quadrilateral. So here X, and we can make anywhere in the exterior. So this was about exercise 4E you will complete in your fair notebooks. Thank you.